Hi, welcome to My Kid Tunes. Today we're going to draw Baby Shark from Baby Shark's Big Show. So grab your marker and follow along with me. So let's draw two round eyes. You can make it nice and round. Try to make it as close to a circle as you can. And you're going to do the other one and you're going to try to roughly get it around the same size. Good. And then inside that, we're going to draw the pupils. There's one. And on this side, let's draw the other pupil as well. And of course, as we always do, light reflections. Two little light reflections right there. Let's fill the pupils in. Now right above the eyes, you're going to draw two eyebrows. Just two thin lines, and right below I'm just going to draw two little nostrils and I'm going to fill them in as well. There we go. Now it's time for the head. I'm going to start here on top and I'm going to try to draw the head as like an egg shape, and on this side we're going to do the same thing as well. We're going to draw it like an egg shape. Bring it in close together. Now right above that, we're going to start drawing the mouth. And I'm just going to draw a smile on top and a smile below. And then I'm just going to connect them. Like so. Teeth. And of course the little tongue. Here we go. Now right below, we're going to draw the body. So I'm just going to make a thin line, which is going to be the first color of our shark. And then after that, we're going to start on top and we're just going to make two lines like this. And then we're going to connect them. So what I'll do is I'll draw a little tail. And then there. And then there's the two lines connected, and then from the head we're going to draw a fin, and on this side we're going to draw the other fin. I'm just going to draw another fin there as well. There we go. And then right on top we're going to do the top fin of Baby Shark. Furthermore, we're not done yet. We're just going to draw a little line that's going to indicate the mouth and the nose. And then right on the side, we're going to draw a little star. And there's Baby Shark. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors. And I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.